morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another day on the stream. My mic looks jacked up. What's going on here? There we go. Much better, much better. Good morning. Welcome in, guys. We are back. It is Tuesday. All right. Turn the music up a little bit. Way too quiet. We're going to start out with the banger. I'm feeling it. Feeling good this morning. It's going to be a great stream. What's up, Broda, Fernurky, Boba, Scott B, AC, Discipline, Booch? How's it going? Welcome in. One second.
WWR.
Oh, we need more than that. There we go. We're rolling. We're rolling. I love trade ideas, Booch. Love it. Use it every day. If you do sign up, my scanners are linked in another video on my channel. One second. Yeah, there's the link to the sign up for the Trade Ideas test drive. So it's 11/11 for 2 weeks free premium. After that, they're going to send out a 25% off code to buy whatever subscription you want. And I'll even find the video for you.
PLXP.
This is the video that my scanners are linked under. There you go. Good to go. Good to roll. All right, we can turn the music down just a fuzz now. We're all awake now. All right. Anything moving besides Frieza?
CHRA.
Let's go look.
Semi.
Hey, Snacks, what's up? Good morning. Semi Monkeypox Rapid Test News. Okay. Yeah, that's actually what I got right here.
DRMA.
So this is Semi News evaluates monkeypox
DSMI.
rapid point of care test development. So there we go. They got the keyword in there. They're good to roll. Anything else come out at 8? Hey, Potsy, what's up? Good morning. Yeah, I don't know what I would do without my trade ideas. I've used it for years, so I'm so used to it. Just hearing things hitting the scanner. I feel like I'd be lost without it. Yeah, we may consider this, but mainly we wanted the monkeypox keyword in our PR. MEGL still over 20. AMTD up this morning. Does that mean HKD is up this morning? No. So AMTD, it was due a bounce though. Dropped all the way from $10 to $2.20. $2.10. Yeah, it was due a bounce day. So around here. FRZA is that new IPO we actually played the other day. We were in the halt up. I don't know if that was on stream or not.
Tila.
Doesn't look terrible right here. Yeah, TGL getting action right this second. Hey, Simon. Good morning.
HLGN.
What is up? Gotta get back to my dashboard here. There we go. DNA still holding up. That one was running after hours yesterday. Went to 440.
XOL. GIGN.
Too much. Too much dubstep. Quick little semi-short to start the day. DoorDash money. I feel ya. Good job.
TGL.
What are you shorting on now that you don't have TradeStation? What are you getting approved on?
TKC.
Is it easy to borrow on Toss? Easy to borrow on Toss? Okay, cool. Sweet. Welcome in, everyone. It's Tuesday morning. Ready to roll. full of energy this morning. I don't know why. I'm just ready to go. It's probably going to lead to some reckless trade here in about 10 minutes, but oh well. Okay, yeah, maybe. That's cool. ICPT. Let me look. ICPT. Intercept. Pharmaceuticals. Looks like it's trending. It's gonna have resistance at 20.
INKT.
Is there any catalyst behind this? Any reason it's up, or is it bouncing with the market, or what? Looks like it pushed through the 200, went back down and retested it and held. Pushed high, ended up closing over 18. Doesn't look terrible. Looks like a slower one though. It's not gonna be one that just absolutely explodes. But 20, I mean, it looks like it wants a 20 test. Yeah, what's up with TGL? Did I have news? I saw it was popping a second ago. Oh, that's a recent IPO, isn't it? Yeah, recent IPO. So, same reason FRZA is up. Yeah, over 20. If it confirms over 20, yeah, for sure. TGL, the IPO thing. Gotcha. AMTD, yeah, I just pulled that up just a second ago. It does look like it has disconnected. This one's very, very heavy, if you remember. So the pre-market may be the time for it to move.
QTEK.
A bit of a pullback on FRZA.
TLRY.
That's another recent IPO, right? Yeah. REBN getting volume. So they're just going through the list right now.
ASXC.
So we got CHG, 370, Forza, Reborn Coffee, TGL, MCVT, Mega already ran, MGAM has kind of already been in play, MAIA. So it's probably going to be like these three that are going to get new volume. I don't know what CHG is. All relatively low float. 3.4, 3.0, 1.4, 2.0, 1.3. Okay, Lucy must not be on here yesterday, or from yesterday then. Maybe it takes a couple days to show up on this website. So yeah, Lucy's another one.
WWR.
Check out MEXC this morning. Bitcoin hanging around at 24. It sold off, kind of sold off divergently to the market, I guess you could say. It is down, hanging around to 24. Struggling though. Is this a bear flag? Not sure. Usually bear flag kind of trends up and then down. So it is trying to consolidate on 24K. The daily doesn't really look the best anymore.
TBLT.
But if it holds this level, I mean, it could push up again. It does not like 25 lately though. 25 smack, 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 smack. And Ethereum's probably gonna be the same thing. Just hanging around 19. It's struggling with 2,000. So if it can confirm those levels, like Bitcoin can confirm 25 and Ethereum can confirm 2,000, that's big. That's really big. But it's almost looking like the daily is one big bear flag. But we'll see. It could just be the bottom that ends up melting back up. There's Lucy on the scanner. Lucy. So they're just slapping them right now. Just rogue slaps. CHG still underperforming Bitcoin. Oh, that's the IPO. Okay, I gotcha.
BRSH.
The one I just pulled up just a second ago. Oops. MEGL still hanging right at 20. Had a heck of a run yesterday. I had it yesterday at like 965, 975 or something. And it flushed to 920 at open. I wasn't going to hold it down that far. And it ripped back up to 10, and the rest is history.
INKT.
Oh, CHG. Somebody who just said that? RYTM lately? No, I haven't. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I remember looking at it, I think like right here. Holy. Just breaking out. Hey, Jesus, good morning. Welcome in. Life on the scanner.
Life.
Had it in the 4s and got stopped out. That's tough. Life did not have fresh news just now, as far as I can tell. It had 10Q yesterday.
SVRE.
Not sure what's happening here. Oh yeah, toothbrush. That one had a really funny PR the other day. Forgot about brush. Let me pull that up just because it was comical. It's one of those all-in type things. Yeah, here you go. Now this is the kind of PR you're looking for. You're wanting to invest in a company. You're wanting to get a good pop on a PR. This is it right here. This electric toothbrush has 6, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, but 6 cleaning modes for reportedly, not even confirmed, allegedly, brighter smiles. And nobody makes better toothbrushes than England, right? Yeah. What was that? The TBLT? Yeah, magazine loaded knife or something. It's like, calm down, bro. Calm down. World's first magazine-fed, auto-reloading, retractable utility knife. Yeah, snacks. That's I was alluding to that, but we got some UK guys in the chat, so I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut.
TLRY. TKC. Life.
Life still pushing. I don't know why. Let's go look for a Benzinga exclusive on it.
Life.
Had earnings yesterday. That's all I see. Piper Sandler raises or maintains overweight price target. Moves it from 11 to 14. That's all I see. Yeah, not interested. Not interested in that. I'd rather play Frieza over here. And it looks like I missed a dip. Looks like I missed the dip. Screwing around, talking about toothbrushes. Actually, I didn't want to take that much. Not enough volume to push it through yet. Yeah, this held the 20 on the 5 and VWAP level.
MNMT.
Holding over the 9, really.
CGRN.
I'll look in just a second, Jesus. Could be.
CENX TTI.
Well, today is just the second day, though, right? So BTD tomorrow. I hate that it sold off like pretty much everything the first day, but yeah, today's the second day of it.
GNLN. GWAV. New. CGRN.
I'm just gonna do this tiny little scalp here. If it goes to 10, it goes to 10. Yeah, a couple of them's been working lately on the T2s. Well, are we gonna go or not? I may make out of this with 40 bucks. Nope, not even 40 bucks. Oh, that was actually just a wash. Let's see if they push it back up now.
CLNE.
Okay, 50 bucks it is. I'll wait till later. I don't like that upper wiki nonsense. And I know I'm gonna get out right now, and we're gonna look back in 5 minutes. It's gonna be at 975. Yada yada. But like I tell you guys all the time, I play my plays for a particular reason. I'm buying, if I'm buying through a break, then I'm buying for that break. I'm not just gonna hold it and hope. Who was mentioning Apron yesterday? Was it Goldminer? I don't know if he's in here this morning. But Apron had a really good day.
FULC.
Thing just ripped out the gate. MEGL is almost up to 21 again. Frieza still just hanging around here. Oh, Willie Mead? Willie? Put an old $10 PT.
SVRE.
I remember when this ran over 10 during COVID. Yeah, it's like right here. Yeah, you
TLRY.
you are overnighting that, right? On MEGL. That's a good trade. At least I still have my position at $9. Great job, guys. Yeah, we had it yesterday. Let me pull it back up. I chased the volume yesterday in pre-market. Like right here-ish. Sold a little here. Held into open. It flushed to 926. And I was like, okay. I think I sold on the way down. Then right back up. Higher. Higher. Much higher.
Phase.
All the way to $24. So yeah. But that happens to me a lot. Risk management will get you on the big runners. You try to sit here and be smart about it. You know, not risk your capital, and then you get these washout moves that get you out, and then it just pops right back up. And you don't want to chase back in. You don't want to be a degenerate and just buy what you just lost on. The 4-hour chart. I don't even know. TradeStation won't even give me a 4-hour chart. I'd have to do it custom. How many minutes is...
TTI.
I don't know why it's set up like this. I don't know how many minutes 4 hours is. I don't want to calculate it. 240, right? And we'll go, not 30 days. Oh, I guess 30 days. Let's see. Yeah, 240. I got it. For some reason, I was thinking that that was going to be a very hard calculation in my head. Yeah. 25 is the 20 EMA on the 4-hour. The IPO opened at 50. What was the IPO price, though? What was it priced at? I think that's important. I feel like it was priced lower, right? Or am I wrong?
ASXC.
Yeah, I don't know why I was tripping about calculating 4 hours. Okay, what was this priced at? Seeing everything but what I'm looking for.
IZEA.
Was it $4? I don't know. That's what I'm asking. I have no idea. Maybe it was on those recent IPO lists I just had up.
TKC.
Here's 8:30 news. Hold on 1 second. Grove acquires Lucky Tail Pet Care Company.
Semi.
That's really all I see. Okay. So, Megal. Yeah, $4. Offer price $4. First day close $97. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a freaking crazy run. Hey, Callum, good morning. What up? What is up? Good afternoon. Yeah, it's like 1:30 there, huh?
GRWG.
Life's still pushing. I'm not entirely sure why. That little price target increase, is that all it was? Piper Sandler raised the price target to 14 from 11. Like, is that it? Surely not. Getting bidders. I don't want to chase this. Volume's very low. Life's going. It's very thin. It just got a price target increase. I had earnings yesterday. Look how thin it is, though. Look at this. There's nothing. FRZA and well, basically that and the new IPO. So FRZA, TGL, Lucy. There's one more I can't think of. But the new IPOs, Life. AMTD getting a little bit of a bounce day. That's about it. That's about it. AMTD looking a little worse now, a little more bearish, a little slower. Frieza hanging on to the VWAP level, the VWAP in the 20, but it doesn't want to push through the 950 level. What's up, JR? Good morning. Top of the morning to you.
FULC.
Megal pushing even higher, 21.5 now.
GG.
That one looks like just straight algos. Computers are trading with computers on this right now. Yeah, the fresh ones, they're tough. They're very tough. Yesterday, that one opened, I don't know if it was Lucy, but it opened and it was, I think I halted down. Yeah, internet is rolling again, thank God. It was tough there for a couple days. Kept going in and out. All the lines are underground here, so usually it doesn't go out, but I guess something happened like at the pole at the highway. It was at Lucy. Yeah, Lucy halted down yesterday, so everybody was expecting, oh, all these IPOs are ripping, and then Lucy halted down. What is Lucy? Oh yeah, Innovative Eyewear. God, that looks ugly. FRZA, I got it first day. It was in the halt up. I think I bought like 12.20 or something. It risked $12. It halted up. I think I got out like 14s. It's a pretty good trade. Hey JD, what's up? Good morning. Did you figure out how to turn off your YouTube Kids setting for the gifted memberships? Or whatever it was. I'm just saying YouTube Kids. I have no idea what it was. Yeah, so my hopes are still low for September. But then I think October, November, December, January, February, March, hopefully, all the way through should be decent. Hopefully we get, news runners that run.
TKC.
That's really the important thing. Sectors that move or news runners that run. We don't need the great melt up. We don't need every stock under $1 to go to, under $1 to go over $1. Just give us what has good news runs or a sector in play moves. That's it. That's all we need. Weed sector next. You know I love me some Tilray. Tilray's set up for a swing to the 200. And I know I just said swing, but heard it first here, straight out of Broda. I mean, you did say that clean energy was next whenever oil was still going, so.
Jenny.
ACB, yeah, that's one I've traded before as well. Looks very similar to Tilray. ACB has room to the 200. Tilray has room to the 200. CGC usually isn't as good, but they all look very, very similar. You know, the first thing people will be calling is like, oh, Kern is down here at 16 cents, yada, yada, yada. But the real good ones are like Tilray and ACB, CGC, not SNDL. Yeah, IGC trades very strange. And they always have the Alzheimer's stuff come out too. Yeah. No pun intended, right? Smoked so many times. You're an OGI swing, Scott B? Is that a weed one or no? Or you just saying you're in a swing? Yeah, it is. I never heard of that one.
RLX.
But yeah, it looks very similar, you know, kind of pushing up, starting to run, 200 above. You seen the offering on SVFD, brutal gap down for longs. Let me look. I had a dream last night that Newegg offered. But it offered at like 7 a.m. And I can't trade on trade session till 8. That's a nightmare. That's a nightmare. But it didn't happen. Didn't happen. Yeah, that's gross. See, that's the kind of nightmares I have. Like, not falling off a cliff or skydiving or, like, any, like, I don't know, rational fear things, which I'm not usually scared of heights, but it's just about freaking getting offered on. Yeah, we're good. We're good. That's just always worst case scenario. They haven't even ran yet though. They need to run it to $5, $6, $7 first. You dream. Well, that's good dreams. Not my nightmares. Yeah, CHG. I mean, it's an IPO just like the rest of them. Could go. It popped and then sold all the way back down to the beginning. So it needs to, I think you need to continue getting Momo from the ones that are in play right now, like FRZA to push higher, MEGL to push higher. Oh, above 425, I mean, it may, yeah. If it got that high, it may halt up. When he said Tesla was too high? Yeah, I remember that. He also said, 420 funding secured. Remember that day?
Tops.
You hate heights.
WTR.
Yeah, see, that doesn't bother me at all. Like the dark doesn't bother me. Some people are like not afraid of the dark. It's more like afraid of the unknown, what you can't see. But
SPO.
yeah, I just have nightmares about offerings. Oh my God, Snacks, that's hilarious. I don't see how you're not mentally absolutely drained every single day. I know when I have like heavy intensive trading days, like I'm just exhausted. I like to trade like 2 or 3 stocks, maybe up to 5, like 3 or 4 different times each, and be done.
Sev.
Well,
GBOX.
nothing really happening right now. Maybe we just wordle it up for a minute.
AIHS. GBOX. 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 Beat. GBOX.
Terrible start.
GBOX.
Wait, WETG just had another monkey box PR. Hold on a second. Oh my God. That's like take
NBTS.
100 maybe. And that's a strategic cooperation with Moby Lab Medical Innovations, globally launching an unparalleled, one-of-a-kind monkeypox virus testing kit with combined insurance coverage products. That reads very, very well. But the spread's so high that I didn't want to take any more than that. What's up, Berkey? Good morning. For Nerky, good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. I like seeing all my inner circle members here.
VGFC.
Yeah, I don't know what this is gonna do. I may make like $100 here. PR reads well. That's a nice reading headline. Picture in picture works now. Oh, nice, great, good to hear. I haven't checked my main account. I've been using an alternate account just to, well, I stuttered there. Been using an alternate account to use the picture in picture. Yeah, this reads about as good as it gets, really. Insurance coverage products, monkeypox test kit, global unparalleled one of a kind, yada yada yada. But you know how this thing is. All right, I'm gonna keep it up on my other screen. So I only have 100 shares, and I'm gonna go back to my Wordle. We have unfinished business over here. So let's try LE. No. I'm gonna burn one.
GBOX.
There is an R. Burn one more. Okay, I got the letters here. It's G, R, Gruel. Boom.
Kick.
We got it. Oh, I beat Fernurky. Nope, I beat you. Don't even try. I got you. Beat Fernurky for the first time ever. You're good at this game. You're really good at this game. Well, I'm bored of it. Made $6. Not SNA. DNA. Yeah, it's whooping its way back up.
NLSP.
Is that what you call it? Wet grandma? I mean, that's the ticker letter, so makes sense. PIK. Frieza. Still hanging around. This will be the spot it would bounce from if it's going to bounce. If it's going to make one more attempt, this would be the spot.
DDC.
I'm going to take a quick break. I'll be back in just a minute.
Semi. Cold. TBLT. IZEA. GBOX. GBOX.
I'm back with my 8:51:40 a.m. Dr. Pepper. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me this morning. Not a whole lot going on, but we got a couple watches in the open. You thirsty? I'm always thirsty for Dr. Pepper. Oh my gosh.
GWAV.
And the rest is 905 level. This is the spot it's got to bounce if it's going to bounce. Thought that buying pressure right there that I was buying into was it, and apparently not. If it starts shredding 905, I'm rolling out. Come on, where's the buying pressure at? This is roughly support. All right, see ya. See ya. I'm gonna be really annoyed if it shreds that bit and then rips. But this is another example of, I mean, I'm playing my play, and the reason I bought it and the support that I bought it for. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna break under 9.
WETG.
WETG's finally going. 11:40 now. Maybe it's waiting for 9 a.m. to pass. What are you gonna do here?
VRAX. Geo.
No buying pressure coming in. There we go, a little bit. So usually if you break below like this 20 EMA or this 9 level, that it should be like heavy selling pressure, breaking down under 890. It didn't do that. That's why I bought it back.
BLND.
But we haven't survived yet. I'm gonna risk 890 for this position. If this one fails, I'm probably done with it for the day.
BITF.
Not looking too hot. BRSH just had news. I can't pull it up though until I get out of this.
FPA1.
It's some stupid toothbrush news again though. Come on, Frieza, give me the bounce. Patiently waiting here. Okay, hero. Two minutes till 9 a.m. Good thing about an IPO, very, very, very unlikely to offer. I don't know if they even can. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm going to be greedy though. Because the play is back in play.
Cold.
To push higher. Yes, sir. Almost bottom ticked it. But you see it came down to the support level, broke down below it, but didn't flush. It didn't give that heavy, like, okay, we're breaking down.
DRMA.
Ew. Ew. Still selling pressure on it. Wow. MEGL could squeeze towards 50 if over 20 to open. I mean, shorts are crowded in it. I feel like they had to have covered to some degree yesterday, but maybe. If it gets the Momo. Now the question is, was I too greedy there? I'd be really annoyed if this fades back all the way.
HUYA, IBIO. ARTL.
I don't see anything fresh coming out.
NYSC. NYSC.
What do my size have? Oh, second quarter, good second quarter earnings. All right, I'm about to get bored of this. We need some consistent volume in it.
NYSC.
It just keeps getting spikes and then fade, spikes and fade, spike and fade. There's a hero. Five-minute looks okay. It's not beautiful.
GDOX.
Looks okay.
SWN.
Oh my gosh.
NYSC.
bidders putting in work right here, and the buyers just aren't coming back in. I'm out.
MYSC. MYSC.
My size must have had a great earnings.
MYSC. MYSC.
Okay. But it is primarily attributed to acquisition. That's the headline though that's tripping the algos. 2,570%. So that's not wanting to go. What else we got? MEGL. Is FRZA going to sell off like it did to me yesterday morning and then pop and continue to pop to $12, $13, $14? Probably.
MYSC.
My size. Oh, it's only 30 cents now. Okay. Hey, good morning, Mick. Good morning.
AIHS.
AMTD doesn't look the best, but I think the over-under is 280. So here's your 280 line. And your upper trim. And also, I mean, kind of got a little bit of a falling wedge feel to it as well. But I think over under 280 on AMTD, needs back over 295 and through VWAP at 3. Volumes kind of died off a little. MEGL pushing higher. 2180.
Sleep.
My size top 2 gainer now. So the gainers list isn't super hot today, but we could get some continuation on a couple different things. MEGL, I mean, it's already up 20% from close yesterday. Doesn't seem like much on the top gainer list, but it closed at 1765. It's at 2150. So that's big, regardless of if it's up, 80% right now.
SJT.
TGL just hanging around.
PLX.
What was that other one? CHG. Hanging around. So they're all just waiting for open, it looks like. Make it a little bit of an fresh IPO pop on all these at open. We'll see. SPY is down today, but not much. I mean, we're still at 427. 200 SMA test is inevitable. It's right here. It's right here. It's got to test it. And also, we're finally up to this test, which is coincidentally, not coincidentally, the 200 SMA to the penny. How about that? So I don't see any way in hell that we break through this and just keep going. Test it, pull back, trade around, break through. CHG. It's got to get through this 375 level. Over that, through 4. I mean, it's got plenty of room, and it's hard to tell price targets or even levels on something this fresh. But, you know, through 4 and 415 is the bottom end right here. Over that, you know, there's not really much. 450 to 5. All depends on volume and momentum and follow through today.
GGB. NYSC. CLEU.
We need something else to do for when it's slow. Because right now it is just kind of boring up until open. Anything set up today chart wise? Anything T2 today from Friday? I can't remember what ran Friday. So many weird things have ran lately. I've lost track of all the runners. New egg looking good. Hanging around this morning. AMC. Still hanging around. Bed Bath & Beyond. Over 15. These like to flush it open and then find their way back up.
SWN.
EMBK, okay. Oh yeah, that's not bad. 58 to 130, that's a T2. Yeah, it had 10% fall yesterday. Maybe. Very much maybe. Why did this run on Friday? I can't remember. Gerard, good morning. What's up? Silent Assassin AMTD. Okay. Yeah, we were looking at AMTD, but yeah, it's starting to push through that trend line, huh? Gotta get up through the trend, confirm it, up through VWAP. More of a swing. Yeah, closed through the, it's had 3 really big days here. Closed over the 200 SMA. But yeah, EMBK.
NYSC. ARTL.
Why was this running again? No reason. Earnings.
NYSC.
Yeah, turn. That's interesting. Really ramped yesterday.
Semi.
ER. Okay. So FRCA pulling back into open. It is on the 15-minute non-EMA.
SLGC.
They exceeded sales. Okay, sweet. That's a good run. A really good run on earnings.
MYSC. DM. ARTL. MYSC. MYSC.
Yeah, my size had news of earnings. This headline is what is the ticker right here. Revenue increased 2570. But it was due to something they acquired, I think. ARTL volume. Not sure why. Oh. Just had news at 9. I completely missed it. Yeah, I did not see that news.
Live. MTTR,
Oh, yeah, there it is.
CCOMWKHS, TLRY, NKLOTLY, FCEL, CGLB, LABU, GNLN, SNDL, ILAG, REV,
That was weird.
EVGO.
Everything just got a weird, like, algo. ILAG's still hanging around today. It's not as recent of an IPO, but it was trying to follow Megal yesterday. Yeah, my size nice little pop. It's just a waiting game till open at this point. FRZA, TGL, AMTD. I guess ARTL's in play now. MEGL, EMBK. A lot of stuff today.
ARTL, MYSC, ARTL, MYSC, MYSC. Live, ARTL, MYSC, MYSC.
689 is the 200 on ARTL.
RBCN.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go feed the dogs. I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
ARTL. Live, live. Live, live. Live, live. Live. Live, live. SWN NVTS. HLGN. NYSC, NYSC. Semi, ALPP, APRN, DRRX, ARTL, ARTL, Geo, RKDA, Yell, MYSZ, Job, MYSZ, MYSZ, FPAY, FUV, MYSC, MYSC, NYSC, AMP, live, Adil, TBLT, ARGL, ARTL, ARTL. ARTL.
All right. I have returned.
ARTL.
Waiting on the Dr. Pepper can. I feel you. It's right here. It's ready.
ARTL. BNRG.
It's a slow morning though. Slower. I mean, compared to a month ago, this is insanity. We need some more upbeat tunes though, that's for sure. Got about 8 minutes to the bell, about 7 minutes to the bell. And hopefully we get some action.
NBTS. IZEA.
Very slow so far. I got $100 locked. That was from FRCA. And my $6 from WETG. AMTD looks like it pulled back. So it did not
LITM.
confirm over the level.
TRMR.
Down to 280 test again.
Blue.
This thing's starting to fade now. Be back one more second.
RKDA. MYSC. AEI. RVPH. Coco. RKDA. TDUP. FCEL. RKDA. Time. FLGC. FULC. GPRO. GBOX.
All right. What do we have? Anything.
LIDR.
Excuse me.
REI.
So this thing Giving up most of its gains from pre-market already. Well, not most, but most of this big push here. My size, 30-cent stock. ARTL had news, bio news. Hanging around. Doesn't look terrible. Needs back up through 6. Set up for open. I don't know if I want to take it this close to open though. I'll wait.
ARTL. Here.
AMTD got to hold 280.
HLGN.
Needs to push back above this level here. That looks ugly on the 1 minute, but the 5 minute looks a little better.
PEGY.
Just the fuzz now. So needs above this trend line through VWAP. Needs to hold 280 roughly. It might come down to test the 277, 50 SMA on the 5. TGL. Just chilling for open. CHG.
Again.
Just chilling for open.
Top. NMTR.
Besides that, there's
SDIG.
really not a whole lot. EMBK is the T2.
GNPX.
It's already up to 81.
SKYH. GROY.
All right, we got about 1 minute to the bell. I'm gonna flip over my scanners to intraday.
NBTS.
And I think we're good to go. Good luck today, everyone. Don't force anything that's not there. A little bit slower morning so far, so maybe not a crazy day, but we should get some action. If you do go up early, no reason to keep forcing. Maybe just walk away if it starts slowing down. Tuesdays have been good to us over the past few weeks, so we'll see how today plays out. As always, appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for the likes, comments. Thanks to my members of the Inner Circle, my donors. Thanks for the likes, the comments, as usual. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the support. All right, what do we got?
CTOS Plus. SPOPW. NYSC. GNPX.
So ARTL push straight through open.
Time. RKDA. FRZA. TCBB. GEO. SONS. Block. ASYS. TMN. TTNP. LSG. FLGC. RAIN. IZEA. SKYT. CVV. PRTY. IONQ. ALTFO. CY.
EMBK, a little bit of volume. He's through the 82 level. It's a T2. ARTL pulling back a little.
CAM. KULR.
Okay, EMBK through 82, just barely.
LVLU.
82.5.
NESR.
My size blowing the scans up.
ARDX. FRZA. New. FRZA. Live. ESOA, SMTI.
FRZA fell pretty hard, but bouncing
DNA.
off the 50 on the 5.
GIGM. Semi. IZEA. Job. Tate. PRTY. CGRN. MYSC. DBI.
Not much I'm super interested in right now.
AGS.
This one is pushing from really low level here on FRZA. Could do what MEGL did yesterday.
EVGO. SHPW plus. ESOA.
Everything was way too loud.
FRZA. THCX. MON. GNPX Live. DNA plus.
Yeah, I'm not interested in really buying anything right now.
BLN. NEXA. PRTY.
Just chilling.
AMTD. Tate.
EMVK acted like it wanted to go and then didn't go.
AMTD. ELTG. ELTK. IONQ. REBN. SKYT.
AMTD push.
BTS.
Forgot about that one.
EXPR.
Yep, sure did. And it went under, went to the 50 on the 5, and actually all the way to 270 and then push. So it broke below and then broke back above. That's funny.
Kirk. KULR. BCSA. WETG. WEA. IZEA. MYSC. CENN. SLNH. AMTD. GLDG.
Nice push there, yeah.
ESOA.
3, I mean, it went to 314.
AIDS. CLRO. Soho.
Nothing's really blowing up the scanner.
ELTK. MEGL.
That looks pretty bad. MEGL pushing. Big hammer there.
UNCY. SKYT. PRTY. CENN. MYNG. DXLG.
Zero trades. I hear that, yeah.
RETN.
Nothing really happening at all. I'm gonna try 500 shares right here. Risking 2084. Want to see this push up through 22. I was patient on the entry. I waited till selling pressure slowed down a little bit there. Under 21. Could I still lose? Absolutely. Absolutely. But I feel like I got a decent entry, at least for risk reward standpoint.
SIF. ISO8. BTU. FGAL. BLKYG.
Okay, 2160 now.
BTBD.
Intraday high 2176. Just broke through. We are at 22 test now.
SPI.
Maybe take off 20% here unless we just blow through it. Let's see. No, don't want to see that. Don't want to see that at all.
AMTD.
I'm gonna move my stop up for a little bit of profit now. Man, we're wicking within a whole dollar range here. Guess I should have taken my 20% off. Yep. That's unfortunate. Oh well, I guess.
TMC IZEA MYSC IONQ STG.
Yeah, nothing is super enticing today yet, guys. AMTD still trying to push.
BLND.
Do I want to trade this? I don't know.
QN BRA MCFT AMTD.
Yeah, I gave a 290 re-entry on AMTD. I wasn't paying attention either. I don't know what IONQ is. I don't know what CUEN is. AMC's up 2% today. Wow.
MYSC.
So AMC had a really nice pop it open. Same with Bed Bath & Beyond. Is Express still connected or not? Very, very roughly, it looks like.
OBE TMTD MYSC.
I don't care how much MYSC blows up the scanner, I'm not trading it. It's one of the biggest turds on the stock market. Yeah, that's how you measure your frustration.
MYSC.
I mean, this thing's pushing, slow and steady.
IONQ.
Guess I should have entered right there at 315 when I was looking at it.
IONQ plus TSLL AMTD.
Okay.
CAM.
Yeah, I'm not really enticed to buy this at all.
TME ARTL MYSC WETG
It's the only thing that's really pushed hard today so far is AMTD. Apron pulling back. I think the market's hanging around. It's not really doing anything. Yeah, I got eye lag up too. I got up on my other screen.
CNTG
ARTL. What did that end up doing? Had a really, really ugly opening candle.
TYSC GURE GBOX
G-Box. Let's look. Yeah, it had a nice bounce there.
GLNG AMTD, BLND.
I'm really congested again this morning, so I'm trying not to breathe right into the mic. I'm having to mouth breathe. Yeah, ILAG looks decent here.
TKLF.
I like to see it go test forward, to be honest with you.
KULR.
Market pushing higher. G-Box above VWAP or testing VWAP right here.
GBOX. ARLP. 2.
GBOX 160. Any reason that's up?
TME.
I didn't even realize it was up earlier.
AMTD.
G-Box.
ACLX. BLND.
I don't see anything really on that. Just continue through.
CRVS. MYSC. RCE. IXHL.
Nothing I've seen today has made me confident taking many positions today at all. I will say that much.
FUBO.
No, it didn't.
NETI.
No, it didn't. This is not at 1337. It did go under $10 though before it ripped. Classic.
AMTD. VTYX. TMC. Cree. Soho. Soho. AQMS. LYTS. SEVN. NYSC. SPRV.
FRZA looks terrible now.
OPTN.
TGL is not doing anything. CHG is not doing anything.
DRMA. EQ.
Oh, is EMBK going now? I tried it at open.
AMTD.
It went up to 82, 83, down to 80, or down to 78. Turn red to green. Nice. Yeah, EMBK, very, very delayed T2 action now. Somebody came in and saved it. It was looking pretty ugly there for a second.
RGTI. ARTL. WETG.
$14 now. $14.70. Oh my gosh.
ESOH. RC. FRZA. QN. PXLW. AMTD. ONCT. IONQ plus.
G-Box it is, I guess. G-Box is straight up.
NYSC.
No reason this is up either. Just daily continuation looks like. Old G-Box. Excuse me. Sorry.
FSI. ELTK.
Nice job, JD. Good job. Yeah, keep rolling.
GMTX.
So you like buying those flushes, those opening flushes, don't you?
GBOX. IXHL.
I don't like buying things that have no reason to be up. That's one of my catches.
CGRN. Note Plus. AQMS. GBOX. AMTD. OHUD.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, it flushed it open, held the 140 level, pushed up.
VLD Plus.
And now it's just straight up ever since the dip. Look at this. This is just algo just melting into the sky, Nike swoosh type move through all the lines, through VWAP like they don't even exist. Just straight algo buys. Green box POS.
GBOX. WAVC Plus. PBBK.
They had earnings yesterday after hours. Maybe that's why it's getting all this volume.
GBOX.
Didn't really do anything after hours. Little spike and fade off, but that's what it was, earnings. I missed it.
UGRO.
MEGL fading off a little bit.
MYSC.
Broda will be happy to hear that. Sun W.
GBOX.
435. I don't know how many trades I'm going to be taking today with how the action is so far. I am not a fan.
NBTS. GIFI. MYSC. Oro. AMTD. COV.
SKYT straight up today. Ooh. Ooh, this thing pushing up.
GBOX. MRIN. BLND. FRZA. VORB.
Don't you fade. This pattern's perfect for a push to 650 plus.
ARTL. GDYN.
Come on, don't fade on us. Don't fade.
ARTL.
Follow through's hard to come by today. I may probably should just take it. Come on, ARTL. I moved my stop up. Yep, there it just came and got it. Wow, follow through is trash today. Holy.
GBOX Plus. AMTD. OPTN.
The follow through machines are off today. Yeah, I'm watching MEGL right here.
MRIN.
18 will be perfect if I could get it. But it may not go below that last wick.
GBO.
Kind of weary of this ugly continuation today. I don't know how much I want to risk because the reward side's off. The risk side's still the same, but the reward's off, so it kind of screws you up. No follow through at all. Like this thing was ready to rip through 650 and didn't do anything.
GBOX.
Went 20 cents and then faded insanely hard.
BBLG.
Yeah, maybe if you got under 19 on MEGL discipline, you're in a good spot.
FRZA. AQMS.
I should have hit some with you.
KULR.
Man, I don't want to chase up here.
GBOX. ASYS.
He got 19. Good job. Man.
SLCA. NCRA. FRZA. MYS.
I'm going to guess Forza with the no man's land bounce. Let's look. Oh, baby. Look at that ugliness.
GBOX.
About the same thing as Megal yesterday.
FRZA. NCRA. AVEO. QRHC. BSGM. HCN. Holy. MYSC. MRIN. NGS.
What was the other tickers? Lucy, CHG, and there's one more. Recent IPOs, I forget.
GDOX.
I'm gonna go look right here. CHG, REBN, TGL, Lucy.
AMTD. FRZA. FRZA. SYPR. NBTS. XPON.
They're all trying to curl a little bit.
IONQ plus NYSC.
TGL, REBN,
Note
FRZA, Lucy.
GBOX. EBTV. NCRA. Show. WETG. GBOX. GBOX. GSM.
FRZA is trying. It's got some selling pressure above 930 though.
BLND. WETG. BLND. MRIN. MYSC. GBOX.
MEGL back down to 19. Couldn't push higher. FRZA fading now.
FULC. FRZA. MRIN.
Follow through is just off today, guys. Completely off. TGL pullback, FRZA pullback, I'm guessing CHG pullback. Yep.
AMTD. ULC. BIVI, BLND. Holy. Step. UTL. RGS, YGMZ, RGS, cracks, RGS, EXPR, MYSC, EXPR, GBOX, EXPR.
Express getting hit.
Het, GoCo,
239.
EFSH.
Yeah, very boring morning from 9:30 to 10. There's no follow through whatsoever. Yeah, Express coming up on 240 test.
SNCR. MRIN.
AMTD's trying to hold on to 3, but it's trying to break down right now. Yeah, today is turd. Whole lot of nothing.
GBOX. MYSC. TMC. ISUA. MSN. RFI. KULR. CNTG. Staff. ISUN. SKYT.
Man, I don't see anything.
NRT.
All right. Well, on that note, I'm calling it. Fun morning on stream.
MTT.
Not the funnest morning trading. Slow,
GBOX.
boring, no follow through.
KULR.
Classic Monday action, actually, and it's on a Tuesday. But appreciate you guys hanging out. Thanks for the likes, comments. Thanks for my Inner Circle members. Thanks for being here, and we'll be back tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. See you.